How to fix our downloads shortcut not working on iPhone. In this video, we're going to be talking about the shortcuts option on your iPhone and how to fix it if it is not working. Now, our shortcuts is an amazing feature that iPhone brings you where you can simply use these shortcuts to, access any application, get new shortcuts for yourself, etc. Now, in the case that these shortcuts don't work for you, simply go over to any browser that you have and go over to shareshortcuts.com. Now, once you're over here, you're going to click on the top right three line buttons. And once you do that, here you're going to go ahead and add, any shortcut. So for me, let's say I'm going to add Yas download. So once we do that, we're going to click on search and it's going to open up this over here. So just go over to any download that you think should work for you. So let's say I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on the first link. Now, once you click on the first link, you're going to click on download shortcut. And what it does is it opens up the shortcut section over here. Now, for the errors that you get, that our shortcut is not accessing or downloading, you're simply going to add a new download from the browser, click on setup shortcut, and, just skip the setup if you want to. And once you do that, it starts loading things in. And for any R shortcuts that are not working for you, if you add a new shortcut for yourself, it should easily go ahead and allow you to access your shortcuts now. Now, as you can see, we have these shortcuts over here just downloaded. And as you can see, allow Yas download to connect to other people. So basically, this is how you're going to be fixing your R download shortcuts in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.